Welcome back to Bloom. Our next guest says there are ways to manage stress and energy levels, even when those anxiety levels are at an all-time high in your life. Here to help us, we welcome integrative pharmacist Dr. Swati Varanasi-Diaz. Dr. Swati, thank you so much for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me.
Well, I am so excited to talk about this because we hear it all the time, good vibes. But you're saying there's an actual science behind that, and these good vibes are actually really real.
Yeah, so vibes are just everyday language for energy frequencies. So everything, whether it's you, me, our morning cup of coffee, your cell phone, everything emits measurable frequencies or vibrations. So science can capture these using tools like spectroscopy. So vibes are not just, vibes are actually energy.
I love that. We see sometimes that people talk to their plants, and there's been research to show that if you talk nice to them, they're going to grow better. So I can only imagine as humans, it's even more important. There have to be some signs, though, that maybe those good vibes aren't there and energy levels might be a little off.
Yeah, so you might feel like your energy field or your energy or your vibes might be off if I guess, for example, you're feeling drained no matter how much you rest, or you feel like you're getting sick more often, or you're noticing mood swings that you can't explain. So it's simple things when you just feel like, wow, I don't quite feel myself.
Which happens a lot, and sometimes we don't know the actual cause of it. But there have to be things that maybe become patterns. How do we recognize that we're getting into that state and our good vibes aren't there?
Yeah, especially this time of year, there's
Yes.
so much stress that we're experiencing, whether it's like, back to school, work things, life things. So stress is one of them. A lack of sleep.
Yeah.
So if you feel like you're not getting adequate sleep every night, or maybe your sleep quality is just not as great as you would want. So any issues with sleep definitely can throw your energy out of sync. The next one could be just having too much screen time. So, we're on our phones, we're on our computers, all these things. So if there's a way to decrease that, that could also potentially help. Another way would be just staying indoors too long. I know with the weather changing and everything, people want to stay indoors a little bit more, but I always urge people to go out and do the opposite. And, even energy is actually really influenced by surrounding yourself with negative people. So maybe if you're doing that, or you feel like you have some people around you that are bringing down the way that you're feeling, that could also throw off your energy.
And these are all things that we hear about not only with our emotional health, but our physical health as well. So I love that you're telling us it all really is related. This energy wellness, is there an actual official name for this approach? And what can we do to learn more about it and make sure that we get those good vibes back?
Yeah, so in fact, there is an emerging field called Quantum Ayurveda. You might have heard of the term Ayurveda before.
Yes.
So that's, traditional Ayurveda that focuses on herbs, diet, and lifestyle to balance the body. But Quantum Ayurveda actually takes that foundation and adds a modern twist by measuring energy frequencies of plants and matching them to the body's own energetic patterns. So, if you want to learn more, one leader in the space is Greenspace Herbs, and they've put the name to Quantum Ayurveda, and they're pioneering research to make all of this more widely accessible. And they're dedicating their attention to research and development. So if you want to follow along, you can go to greenspaceherbs.com to learn more.
I'm so fascinated by this because you look throughout history and all of these things have been mentioned, but we've never really delved or deep dived into what's actually happening until now. So now that we recognize this and there's resources available, what are some practical everyday ways that we can help retune ourselves and get back to spreading the good vibes? We don't want to be one of those negative people.
Yeah, absolutely. So you can influence your energy field daily with so many simple habits that cost nothing. So first, there's movement. So things like regular stretching or dancing, or even just starting with a walk around the block to begin to release some of that pent up or stuck energy. And then there's also deep, slow breathing that can really reset your nervous system. And, a lot of people talk about meditation. It doesn't have to be some really elaborate meditation, but rather just taking a moment of mindfulness. It literally could be in line at the grocery store. It could be, when you're waiting for, the person to log on to Zoom for your next meeting. It could be as simple as that. Just taking a moment to breathe deeply can really help your nervous system.
So taking things easy.
Yeah, it's so simple. And another thing is sunlight exposure. So sunlight exposure has been shown in research to recharge your body's natural rhythms.
These are all things I feel like we can do very, very easily every day once we recognize that we're giving off those negative vibes. We want to be the good people. We want to be the sunshine that people are talking good things about, and just kind of keeping that rolling and keeping the good vibes. Thank you for spreading them today with us and sharing all this.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for having me. And if people want to learn more, definitely check out Greenspace Herbs. You can dive all into the topics of Quantum Ayurveda. So you can go to greenspaceherbs.com to do that.
Thank you. We appreciate your help. And of course, we'll share this advice on Bloom Tampa Bay. And guess what?